Hey children, good to see you again. I will say you about domestic animals and their uses. I am your Aditi Miss. So we will talk about domestic animals and their uses, how they are useful to us. We will see that they are trained to perform different ways of work. Cow, C-O-W, cow. Cow is very useful to us. It gives us milk. Cow gives us milk. And which other animals? Buffaloes and goats. They live in shed and they give us milk. Buffalo, cows and goats. This is dog. D-O-G. Dog. Dog is very faithful animal. These are very friendly to humans. Dogs are very useful animal. These can be pet always. So spelling is D-O-G, dog. Many people love to domesticate dogs. Many people love to domesticate dogs and keep them in their house as their pets. Dogs guard our house. Dogs bark at the strangers. Dogs have a powerful sense of smell. We can catch thief. This is cat. Which animal is this? This is a cat. What is spelling? C-A-T. Cat. Cat is family of tiger. This belongs to tiger family. You can see the cat. Which color? White. And spelling is cat. What is cat doing? Cat is doing meow. What she is saying? She is saying meow. People also love to keep cats as their pets. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Horses are kept in stables. Horses are used for riding and drawing carts. They are trained to perform different types of work. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Where does a goat live? Goat lives in shed. And goats also gives us milk. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Sheep gives us wool. Sheep skin is shaved off to get wool. Sheep are kept in a pen. Buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O. Buffalo. Buffalo. Buffalo also live in shed. And buffalo also give us milk. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. See, donkey is useful for carrying loads. This is also used as a donkey cart. In picture, there are some difference between donkey, horse and mule. Horse has short ears, donkey has long ears and mule also long hair. Long face, mule has. Donkey has short face. Horse has long face. This is camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Camel is a desert animal. Camel is useful to move in desert. Camel carries loads also human from one place to another place. Next is monkey. 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 Monkey is also a pet animal and helps man. Monkey can imitate us. He does whatever we do. He can do like this. Next is elephant. Elephant is very useful to us. He carries loads, logs. He helps us to move logs into truck. Also carries human. Domestic animals are very useful for us. Horse used for riding and drawing cart. Buffalo gives us milk. Hen gives us eggs. And sheep gives us wool. From chicken we get meat. Everything we get from domestic animals. It is our duty to take proper care of our domestic animals. We have to take care of the domestic animals. We should provide them with a proper place to live. We should give them proper place to live. We should provide them with food at proper times. Whatever they eat, we should give them food. We should give our pet a regular bath and take it for a walk every day. We should also take our pet to a veterinarian for regular checkup. Veterinarian means doctor of animals. Let's know something more about domestic animals. Guess the names of following animals you can see in picture. Yes, tiger, horse, sheep, hyena, elephant, dog. You know all the animals? Very good. So now we know animals are different types of animals. Some animals live in forest and some animals are kept as homes or farms. Two types of animals, domestic and wild. Domestic animals that are kept at homes or farms are domestic animals. Animals such as cows, horses, goats, sheep, etc. are domestic animals. We make homes for some animals we keep. Chicken coop, horse stable, cow shed. Okay? Domestic animals helps us in many ways. First, we get milk from cow, buffalo and goats. From which animal we get milk? We get milk from cow, buffalo and goats. What we make from milk? Milk is used to make curd, butter, ghee and paneer, etc. Milk is used to make curd, butter, ghee and paneer. We can make from milk. Then we get eggs from which animals? Hens and ducks. We get honey from beehives. See the picture. You can see the picture. We get eggs from hens and ducks and get honey from beehives. We get meat from goat, chicken and fish. You like all the things? See the picture. We get meat from goat, chicken and fish. You know na all the things. We get silk from silkworm. From silkworm we get silk. And we make different types of materials from silk. Clothes we make from silk. Now we get wool from sheep. Shaved off his fur and then it became wool. Then we make woolen clothes. Skin of dead animals is used as a leather. We make the following things using leathers. You can see the picture. Some animals carry heavy load for us. Which animal carry loads for us? Let's see the picture. Yes, cow, donkey, horse and elephant. They carries loads. Animals also helps us to move from one place to another. You can see the picture, horse cart, camel cart. Animals we keep at homes are pets. Pets are our friends. You can see the baby is playing with dog, kitten. They are very good friend of humans. And dog, you know, very faithful. We can keep as pet. Let's do some exercise. Animals live on land, in water, and some can fly. Animals have special body parts which are used in different ways. Some animals are wild and others are tame. Tame animals help us in many ways. We get food and other useful products from animals. Some young animals look like their parents. Scavengers are some wild animals. They eat flesh of dead animals. Which three of these can come from hen? Meat, eggs, feathers, milk. Which can come from hen? Meat, eggs and feathers. These three we can get from hen. You know, we get meat from hen, we get eggs from hen and we get feathers from hen. Does a hen gives milk? No, hen doesn't give milk. So we get meat, eggs and feathers from hen. Next, we get silk from a dash. A dash is kept as a pet. It catches mice. A dash lays eggs. We get wool from dash. Frogs and fish are similar because both lay dash in water. So we have answers top of the paper and fill in the blanks using the words in the box. So you have to fill in the box. We get silk from a which animal? We get silk from silkworm. Yes, we get silk from a silkworm. A dash is kept as a pet. A cat is kept as a pet. She catches mice. A dash lays eggs. Who lays eggs? Hen. A hen lays eggs. We get wool from, yes, sheep. We get wool from sheep. Frogs and fish are similar because both lay eggs in water. Very good. So we get silk from a silkworm. Look at the picture and complete the fact file about frogs below using the correct words and phrases from the brackets. First we will read. Number 1, a frog lives in dash. You have to write answer from the brackets. Air, water, land, land and water. Next, number 2, it has dash limbs. 2, 4, 6. You have to choose correct answer. Number 3, its skin is dash, dry and scaly, bumpy and wet.
Number 4, it dash a neck, has, does not have. Number 5, it eats dash flies or grass. Number 6, it dash hisses, croaks, screeches. Number 7, baby frogs are called dash chrysalis or tadpole. So you have to choose the correct answer from bracket. A frog lives in land and water. It has 4 limbs. Its skin is bumpy and wet. It does not have a neck. It eats flies. It croak. Baby frogs are called tadpole. Okay? Name the following. An animal with a hump on its back. Number 2, an animal with horns. Number 3, an animal with claws. Number 4, an animal with tusks. Number 5, an animal with fur. You have to write the correct answer. Which animal with a hump on its back? You know which animal? And which animal with horns? So many animals are with horns, but you have to write one. So many animal has claws, but you have to write one. One animal is with tusks. You have to write the answer. An animal with a hump on its back, it's camel. An animal with horns, it's a cow. Number 3, an animal with claws, it is a, which animal? It is a tiger. You can say lion also. An animal with tusks. Tusk means long teeth. Elephant. An animal with fur. From which animal we get wool? It's a bear also. You can say sheep also. Okay. Then next is, look at the pictures and match the following. Number 1, trunk. Left side I am talking about. Number 1, trunk. Number 2, fur. Number 3, fin. Number 4, horns. Number 5, tail. So you have to match from left side with right side. So number 1 is trunk. Trunk is C for grasping, breathing and producing sound. Number 2, fur. Fur will go with D for keeping warm. Number 3 is fin. It's with B for sliding through the water easily. Number 4, horns. Horns for fighting. It's A. Tail for balancing on branches. Let's ask some more questions. Answer the following questions. What are domestic animals? The animals which we tame and keep at home or on a farm are called domestic animals. Next, what do cows, buffaloes and goats give us? Cows, buffaloes and goats give us milk. What are the products that we can make from milk? We can make curd, butter, buttermilk, ghee, cheese and sweets from milk. What do the birds like hens and ducks lay? The birds like hens and ducks lay eggs. Where is the wool got from? The wool is got from sheep's hair. Next, where do we get silk from? We get silk from the silkworm.
Where do we get the leather? We get leather from the skin of some animals. What are pet animals? Name two pet animals which can be kept as pets. The animals which can we keep at home to love and play, which are called pet animals. Dogs and cats can be kept as pets. Right, children?
We will watch now story of a little girl, how she was helping animals. So let's start. Farida goes for a walk every evening. She takes an empty tiffin box and a big water bottle. First stop her kitchen. Can I have some uncooked rice, please? 2 skips to the vegetable cart. How many squashed tomatoes can I take today? 3 hops to the tea stall. Any broken biscuits?
4 jumps to the beach. Any smelly fish for me?
5 leaps to the potter's shop. Did you save me the chipped balls? Uncooked rice, squashed tomatoes, broken biscuits, smelly fish, chipped bowls. All she taken from some places. What she will do with this? See what she is doing. Meow, meow. Fish for me, a meal for cat. Biscuits for dogs. Woof, woof. Snacks for the dogs. Crows. Caw, caw. Treats for the crows. And chirp, chirp. A dinner for the sparrows. There is nothing left in the tiffin box until tomorrow. If you decide to share food with the animals who live near your home, you need to think about some things. Ask yourself if you can feed animals over a long stretch of time. Choose an open space away from other people's homes that no one can disturb. Try to feed them at the same time every day. Feeding just once a day will help street animals keep the ability to hunt for their own food. If you are going to take care of animals, make sure that they are healthy. Call the local animal hospital to give them vaccines. Some birds such as pigeons, monkeys or mice can become pets because of feeding, so do not feed them. Water is just as important as food, especially in the summer. Clay pot will help keep the water cool. Avoid oily, salty, sweet or spicy foods. Thank you. Now we will do origami, paper folding. First, rabbit. Take a paper, fold half, make it triangle, then open and again fold from the right side and left side to half. Make it like a triangle cone. Now the edge fold from down and a second fold. Then fold from half. Now open and the upper edge fold to down. Then again fold to half. The open one do straight. That is ears of a rabbit. Again the edge fold from down and keep inside so that rabbit can stand. Now cut it from half the ears. Then ears also fold like this from two sides and open. It is looking like ear. Now take a black sketch pen and draw eyes and mouth. Your rabbit is ready.
Now we will make another one. Take a paper of 12 centimeter, square paper, fold it into half like triangular shape. Then again fold from half from triangular shape. Open it. Now from right side fold small one and then left side small fold. Two sides will be come out from two sides. Now down edge fold to upwards. This will be the shape. Now turn it. This is a face. Now with a black sketch pen draw one eye, yeah, second eye. Can you guess which animal? Now draw a mouth. Then two half circle. Then three whiskers. Which animal? This is a cat. Very good. You can make at home with help of your parent. Now we will do another one. This is paper dog, origami paper dog. Square paper, a pen you need. Same, fold in half in triangular shape. Again fold half in triangular shape. Very good. Now open. Same like folds from right side and from left side. From half it will fold half. Two edges will be out. Now turn. Again the lower edge you fold upwards and upper edge also fold downwards. Now fold. Now turn. Now draw eyes, round eyes. One eyes, two eyes. Now make mouth, triangular. And two half circle from two sides. Three dots. It is a dog. That also you can make at home with help of your parents, and with any paper you can make. So try at home. Now we will recite a rhyme of a cow. Moo moo brown cow, have you any milk? Yes sir, for you Jack and Jill. Churn it into butter, make it into cheese, and drink it from the glass as fresh as you please.
Let's know about biggest and largest animals. We will know about whole world. Right, children? So, what is our question? Which is the largest member of cat family? This is a Siberian tiger. What is the elephant's tusk made of? It is ivory. What is a baby kangaroo called? A baby kangaroo is called Joey. Okay, then we will go next question. What is our next question? Which is the smallest bird in the world? It is a hummingbird. Name one mammal which can fly. It is a bat. What is the national bird of New Zealand? Kiwi. Which is the largest snake in the world? Anaconda. Which is the longest snake in the world? It is python. It is a python. Right, children? You got it? Next question. Which is the fastest land animal? It is cheetah. Cheetah can run fastest. Which is the largest land animal? Elephant. Which is the largest animal on earth? It is blue whale. Which is the tallest land animal? This is giraffe. Next question. Which is the fastest flying bird? It is a swift bird. Which is the fastest swimming fish? It is sailfish. Which bird lays the biggest eggs? This is ostrich. Which bird? Ostrich. We have seen picture of ostrich. Okay, where is the Gir National Park? You know, children. It is in Gujarat, right? We live in Gujarat now. So Gir National Park is in Junagadh, Gujarat. What are birds' feather made of? It is made of keratin. It is made of keratin. So we have learned so much of animals. Thank you, children. Have a nice day. You just go through all the questions, right? Bye bye.